Hey, hello, what's going on? Happy Tuesday. Hopefully everybody's having a pretty good day so far. Yeah, here's a pretty good tip. I mean, everybody that adventure travels, or at least has been doing it for a while, already has one of these. But if you're new to riding or you're new to adventure traveling, this is something you definitely want to make sure that you pack in your gear just in case something happens and you get separated from somebody. Or not only that, just anything can go wrong on a trip. You just never know. So one really good thing to pack in your gear is, just a smart thing to have, a first aid kit. And a first aid kit can just be anything from gauze pads to tape to band-aids to all sorts of stuff. You just never know when you may need to fix a cut or anything like that. And a first aid kit is just really good to have. So that way, if anything does happen on your trip, you're prepared. And it's always good to be prepared when you're on an adventure trip, because you never know. You are on motorcycles and things do happen, and you just want to make sure, from antiseptic or any of that type of stuff, to just make sure that you can kind of fix yourself until you can at least get somewhere to where you can actually get it looked at. But anyway, think about putting an emergency kit in your gear before you go on a trip. It just may come in handy one day and it may help you out. So I hope that tip helps you, and you guys have a fantastic day. 690 out.